Debit and credit note in Giddh. In this video we will learn about debit note and credit note and how to record entries of the same in Giddh. Giddh offers all types of vouchers like sales, purchase, payments, receipts, debit note, credit note and journal voucher. Let's begin with debit note. For example, if you return goods to your vendor, then the vendor will issue you a credit note, and that credit note will be our debit note. In accounting, handling entries like debit notes can be confusing and breaking the smooth flow. However, Giddh simplifies the process, making it easy to record debit note entries and do adjustment entries seamlessly. For example, you have a company named Giddh Enterprises. To record a debit note entry, just access your vendor's ledger. You can directly search your vendor's account by Ctrl+G for Windows and Command+G for Mac. Type the name of your vendor and click on their name. You will be redirected to the vendor account. After going into the vendor's ledger, the entry is to be recorded to the debit side. Select the account and enter the details like amount. And click on Save. Giddh Intelligent Recognition smartly identifies the voucher type as a debit note and automatically selects the debit note voucher for you. You can also adjust the debit note voucher. Simply double-click on the debit note entry. Click on More Details. Then click on Adjust Debit Note and choose a voucher to adjust. Now select the voucher for which you are creating the debit note. Input the adjustment amount and click on Update. And your voucher will get adjusted. Hence, debit notes help everyone to adjust financial records in accounting, like change in pricing, getting discount after receiving an invoice, purchase returns, etc., ensuring accurate and transparent accounting practices. Similarly, a credit note works in the situation of sales return. For example, you sell a product to your customer and if he returns the same product, you will issue a credit note. This credit note reduces the original sales invoice amount, reflecting the adjustment for the returned item in accounting records. In Giddh, you can easily record entries of credit note without any hurdles. To record credit note entries, just go to the ledger of the relevant customer by directly searching through Ctrl+G for Windows and Command+G for Mac users. Type the name of your customer and click on their name. You will be redirected to the customer account. After going into the ledger, the entry is to be recorded to the credit side. Select the account and enter details like amount. And click on Save. Giddh automatically identifies the voucher type as a credit note. You can also adjust the credit note voucher with sales. Just simply double-click on the credit note entry. Then click on More Details. Click on Adjust Credit Note and choose a voucher to adjust. Now select the voucher for which you are creating the credit note. Input the adjustment amount and click on Update. And now your adjustment has been done. Recording credit and debit note entries in Giddh is incredibly simple. I hope the video made it clear to understand and record debit and credit note voucher entries. Giddh, a book that makes sense. Thanks for watching.